Hey guys, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. This is Average Joe True North. So this video, we're going to do a couple things. One is we were going to light up our first Coleman lantern. The lantern I got from Mike from Krubby's Country Life. So we're going to pump it up here on the work table, and then when it gets dark, we're gonna light it up on my little bushcrafty little tripod and hang it on there and light it when we get some dusk or some darkness. And then we're gonna light up the campfire sometime this weekend, do some cooking, and I'm thinking maybe some steak, potatoes, and these little corn thingies that came out a while ago that I've had it stored in the freezer. I saw Dan from DC Outdoors do them, and they look delicious, so we're going to try those out. So first things first, let's check out this awesome lantern from Mike from Krubby's Country Life. All right, it even came in the original box, metal box. I can't remember what year it was, but I think it was 2003. And he's got these from a government auction sale or whatever. And so this was originally used by the government of Alberta. So that's pretty cool. So let's pull it out. And thank you, Mike. I really appreciate this. When you come in my way here in my town, which you used to live in, I will hook you up with some gear and some rations. And so looking forward to giving you a goodie box. All right. So here it is. So we're going to open this up. This is my first ever Coleman. I don't know much about these, that except for that it lights like similar to my my Coleman pump stove. So let's bring the camera down a bit. Yes, she is a beauty. He was saying that this was really dirty. He got it cleaned up, so I do appreciate that. Give you a little close-up. It is a 286, and I believe it's supposed to be A or B, but that part is kind of scratched off. So, but it is a 286. And this is where the white gas goes in, which I'll be filling. And this is where you do your pump, which we'll do kind of more in the evening time. When so I'm going to bring it out to the campsite, and then this is where you turn on the fuel right here. And then this way to turn on. And then he's even got glass on there for me, a glass globe, and then one of those cloth mantles. Still trying to get my mind wrapped around how these things don't like catch on fire and just burn. So yeah, we'll pump this up when it gets dark, and see if we can take a peek at the campsite. There it is, way over there, the flag flying. So we'll get that all set up, do some cooking. So I will see y'all when it gets dark. All right, the sun is down. It's nice and dark. I'm gonna, well, first of all, I got this filled up with white gas, and the tank's quite a bit bigger than what my was that 833 stove is, but probably about twice. So what I do with my 833 is I fill up the funnel till it fills all the way to the top, and then I'm done. With this, I filled the funnel twice because it's a bigger tank, so it looked like it filled it up, but not too much. So we are going to pump it up, and then we're going to go over to the campsite and attempt to light it. So let me go ahead and pump this up. All right, I heard through the grapevine, Ron T. Sawyer, his wife is sick. So thoughts and prayers out to her, and then this light up goes out to her for healing. Was going to do it on that tripod, but it was a little too low. But yeah, that's my first light up. So I will see you guys when we got some daylight. Okay, we are finally finished. We got some potatoes, some corn ribs, and some strip loin steak. So let's give a couple of these a taste. Okay, I'm gonna go caveman style here. So they take the corn cob and they cut it lengthwise in quarters and make these little steak thingies. Not steak thingies, but they call them corn ribs. So let's go and give this a taste. All right, the corn ribs are good. So here is a nice piece of steak. Not too overdone, but it is done all the way, but should be nice and tender. So let's give it a taste. Okay. Came out nice and tender. Nice flavor to it. So I think that is about it. I will catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for coming along. Thanks for subscribing. And should be about a week and I'll have some more content. So you guys have a great week. and I'll see you later. Bye.